Ready to explore the unexpected wonders of nutrition? Brace yourself as we unveil 15 hidden nutritional treasures that are sure to amaze you. Fact 1. Did you know that broccoli contains more vitamin C than an orange? It's true, so if you're looking to boost your immune system, swap that orange for a plate of steamed broccoli. Fact 2. Avocados aren't just tasty, they are also packed with healthy fats. In fact, they contain more potassium than bananas. Fact 3. Quinoa might look like a grain, but it's actually a seed. And not only is it gluten-free, but it's also a complete protein. That's right, it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Fact 4. Dark chocolate is not only delicious, but it's also great for your heart. It can lower blood pressure and improve blood flow, so go ahead and indulge. Fact 5. Guess what? Spinach is not only rich in iron, but it's also a good source of calcium. So forget about Popeye's love for spinach. It's great for your bones too. Fact 6. Kiwi is a small fruit but packs a big nutritional punch. One kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange and as much potassium as a banana. Fact 7. Pistachios are not only delicious, but they are also the lowest calorie nut. Plus, they are packed with antioxidants. So next time you need a snack, grab a handful of pistachios. Fact 8. Did you know that eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods? They are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, so it's time to start including them in your daily breakfast routine. Fact 9. Sweet potatoes are not only tasty, but they are also a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, so say goodbye to regular potatoes and hello to the healthier alternative. Fact 10. Blueberries are not only sweet and delicious, but they are also rich in antioxidants. They can help fight inflammation and improve brain function. Another reason to love these little berries. Fact 11. Oats are not only a delicious breakfast option, but they are also great for your heart. They can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fact 12. Lentils might be small, but they are a great source of plant-based protein. Plus, they are a rich source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. So don't underestimate the power of lentils. Fact 13. Salmon is not only a delicious fish, but it's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and improve brain health. Fact 14. Cherries are not only a tasty snack, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce muscle soreness and improve sleep quality. So why not add them to your grocery list? Fact 15. Finally, let's talk about watermelon. It's not only refreshing, but it's also hydrating. Plus, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The perfect summertime snack. And there you have it, 15 surprising nutrition facts that you probably didn't know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts and healthy tips. Stay nourished.